Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we will explore UnitedHealth Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has identified UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 11.07%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.11% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests within a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 15.89% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from a decline of 21.92% to an increase of 7.34%. On a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -42.49%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between a decrease of 47.14% and an increase of 10.8% over the coming year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $132.63 and $277.98. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group features the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock price up 2.54% on Friday. The UnitedHealth Group stock price increased 2.54% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025. The price rose from $244.67 to $250.89. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.75%, ranging from a low of $244.37 to a high of $251.08. Over this period, the stock has shown volatility, and there has been a decline of 10.73% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.34 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest price was $234.67. Currently, the price is 60.22%, or $379.84, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group, currently trading close to its 52-week low, has faced significant scrutiny following its disappointing second-quarter earnings and a sharply revised guidance for 2025. The stock dropped by nearly 13%, raising alarms about deeper structural issues within the company. Despite these challenges, analysts propose that the current valuation offers a contrarian opportunity. With forward price-to-earnings ratios at multi-year lows, the market sentiment leans heavily pessimistic, which may create an opportunity for upside if the company's management can effectively implement operational reforms and enhance execution. Additionally, ongoing investigations led by Senators Wyden and Warren into alleged payments to nursing homes could introduce more volatility and uncertainty, affecting market sentiment in the short term. This added scrutiny complicates the already fragile environment for UnitedHealth, as its peers also contend with rising costs and regulatory obstacles. In the near term, negative sentiment and the company's recent performance may continue to apply downward pressure on the stock. However, if UnitedHealth's structural advantages come to fruition and the company can regain investor confidence, the long-term outlook could stabilize, paving the way for potential gains as market conditions evolve. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned UnitedHealth Group an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned UnitedHealth Group a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Today, the stock is sending mixed signals. The UnitedHealth Group stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $285.70. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support at $245.81 from the short-term average. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, August 1st, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 5.52%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, indicating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a buy opportunity 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 7 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 2 days ago. Long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 21 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicates a sell signal 26 days ago. Long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 79 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 74 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $249.56. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. The large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.71 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.75%. In the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, highlighting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.62 per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is $274.35. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group's first support level is at $249.56. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from various analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 1st, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On July 1st, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. On July 1st, 2025, Michelle J. Hooper conducted an insider purchase of 170 free shares of common stock. On July 1st, 2025, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock. On July 1st, 2025, John H. Noseworthy conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 92.569. Overall, insiders acquired 873,925 shares, while selling 11,097 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group currently exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and moveness from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we anticipate UnitedHealth Group will open lower by $2.11, starting at $248.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.